In the next 30 minutes, you're going to build a system that plans a full month of content for you, just like this content system that I have right here that you're looking at. Not one video, but a full month of content. My personal content has helped my company generate over $3 million in revenue, and we've helped over 300 busy founders grow their business by building their founder funnel. This four-step system is for busy founders who have no time to become a full-time content creator, but understand that building your personal brand is important. And if you stay until the end of this video, I'm going to give you all the exact skills that you can inject into your Claude to all of a sudden have the exact content engine like this one that spits a month of content in 30 minutes. Now, step one, before you write a single line of content, the reason why this system works is because it has been trained on the exact customer profile that you are serving and that you are trying to sell to. You see, the reason why oftentimes Claude alone and asking Claude for content ideas does not work is because it is just regurgitating the average knowledge that exists on the internet. And the internet is made up of very smart takes and also a lot of crap. And what happens when you ask Claude for an idea, a prompt, a specific video to make, you're gonna get default answer, and there's 100,000 people on that same day that use the same language model to come up with the same content idea. So the first step before any single word of content is written is we need to understand who this content is for. And what you see right here in my content system is I have the customer profile, which includes all the things that will allow our engine to function properly and make the exact type of content that resonates with our client, that is for our client. And then when they watch your content, they're like, this was made for me. This is how they discover you, and this is how people buy from you. It's by making content for a specific type of avatar around the languages that they use, the problems that they face, and the goals that they have. So I'm going to explain to you what those are and how we excavate those. So what we have right here is we have our ideal customer avatar. And what you want to do is you want to give them a name. For me, I'm going to use Sean as my customer avatar. What are the things that make up Sean? This is where we have the first thing, which is the desired outcome. What is the outcome that this person loses sleep over? What are his current pains? What are the objections that this person typically brings up on calls and conversations that you have about working with you or about your solution specifically? What are the fears? So the fears that they have. What are the languages that they speak? And when I say languages, I don't mean the actual language. I mean, how do they describe their pains? How do they describe their problems? I'll give you an example. In my industry, a lot of people refer to influencers as key opinion leaders, KOLs. So the moment I started recognizing this pattern is that people are searching for KOLs and they're trying to make decisions on KOL marketing, not influencer marketing. And I started speaking their language. All of a sudden, they started recognizing my message made for them. And then finally, what are the buying triggers that make people buy from you? You see, this is an exercise that you could sit down and fill yourself. However, your exact dream customer profile are already things that have happened on meetings that you have already conducted. You see, every single one of these things are what typically happens during a discovery call with a prospect. They share what is the desired outcome that they're trying to achieve, what are the current pains that they're facing, the objections, the buying triggers, the fears, and the languages that they're using. So the way I build this system right here for you that you're gonna have the ability to use yourself and have the exact same dashboard that I have is by importing and feeding your Claude 10 discovery or sales calls that you've had with your prospects. And then what it's going to do by itself is it's going to excavate things. So if you are to look at this right here, there's a full skill built in that engine that is entirely designed to extract these things from your sales calls. And the way you're going to do this is very simple. You're going to go to your note taker and you're going to download all the call transcripts from these. As simple as this. I personally have an AI agent that has API access to my note taker. I use Hermes agent, and I can just ask it, hey, give me the last 10 transcripts from my calls, or you can do it the manual way, which you download the exact doc, you download it, and then you feed it into the machine right here that I have. So the way it works is you're gonna download this entire scale file that has everything in this document. Look how long this is. You're gonna download this, you're gonna give it to Claude, and then you're going to feed it a couple of your meetings. So I'm gonna take a few here, just for example's sake. These were, for example, 3 sales calls that I've conducted today, and we're gonna say start. And this right here is where it gets exciting, because the moment this system understands who your customer profile is, it will start being able to take calls that you've done with your customers, be it sales calls, demo calls, introduction calls. It's going to take the customer language and the verbatism, and it's going to take your own expertise from the material that you fed it, which are the calls, the transcripts, and what it's going to pump out is an entire month of content for you. It's going to have 5 video asset ideas. I'm going to show you some examples. It's going to give you newsletter ideas. It's going to give you short form and LinkedIn X written content. And because you've stayed this far into the video, I want you to have access to this exact system. So in the description of this video, there's going to be a link that is password gated. The password is going to be founder funnel, one word, founder funnel. This is going to be the password for this page. You just put the password in, it's going to take you to an opt-in page. You just have to put your email so we can deliver that to you and you don't lose access to it. Because here's what's interesting. Let's say you conducted a call. A call is arguably the richest material that exists when it comes to you excavating ideas. Because in one call, there are multiple stories, there are multiple lessons, there are debates that happens, there are takes that get made, there are ideas that get shared, and every single call is different. How you articulate the problem, how you troubleshoot the constraints that the person you're talking to have, how you're telling stories. Every single call is unique. And the way you create content is not by sitting down and thinking, what content should I make? Your content is already happening here in your meetings. All we have to do is then excavate these moments, mine the ideas, and then repurpose these moments in a YouTube video, a newsletter, X/LinkedIn, short form video, just like this. And this is what your typical output is going to look like right here. So if I go to asset registry, this is what from the calls that I've done, what it looks like. So 1,000 to 200 to 20,000 subs in 90 days and 30K in monthly recurring revenue. If I click on this one, it will literally give me the title, the suggested YouTube title, YouTube video titles. It'll tell me what the core angle of this video is, what carries the full video. It'll even give me a full outline of the talking points. So number 1, before the thumbnail, before everything becomes the idea. So how the idea is the most important part of a YouTube video. Now you write it so people actually stay. You only need 1 hour per week on camera. All of this, and guess what it will do? It'll tell you which calls these pieces of content were inspired from. In my context, these were from a sales call I had with Simple Chat and D-Search. I want to show you this video idea, which short form is a trap for founders. Here's what we do instead. I'm going to be filming this video. Like, I am actually going to be filming this as my next video. It's a very good video. And the talking points are stellar. It's amazing. And it's all about why I, as an individual, always push my clients to make more long, deeper content. And, you know, the talking points, the platform pushes long form harder than you think. A short dies in 2 days. This doesn't. 1 long video becomes 30. When everyone zigs, you zag. These are literally calls that I've had with, these were points that I made with Stablejack during a discovery call with them. They were unsure about YouTube. They wanted to stay in the realm of marketing that they already know and understand. And I was proposing a new way of seeing marketing for them. Fantastic video idea. And then what it will do, the art when it comes to content creation is your ability to take one idea and then repurpose it across multiple formats. Because someone who watches your video is not the same person who's going to read your newsletter. It's not the same person who's going to see a short on YouTube or read your written content on X. There are different types of archetypes, and different people are exposed to your content at different times. So the beauty of this is, how do you take one idea, short form is a trap for founders, and then we turn it into newsletter, for example. So your expenses can only shrink so much. This is a fantastic point that I brought up with someone. This was a story that I brought up on a call with someone where, he was sharing with me how cash is tight, and he's trying to think how he can like cut down on expenses. And you could definitely see in his face how he was like struggling as a business owner. It's not easy dealing with, low seasons. So I shared a story with him how, not too long ago, about 3 years ago, I was considering moving back in with my girlfriend at the time. And I remember bringing that up with a friend of mine. I asked my friend, I was like, bro, I'm thinking of doing this to save like $2,000 on rent. Do you think I should do this? He looks at me, puts his hand on my shoulder, and he tells me, Leon, you can only shrink your spend so much, but how much money you can make is infinite. Instead of worrying about how much you can save and trying to save every last dollar, think, how can you make as much money? And I shared that story with the founder, and it really resonated with him. Guess what? This would be a fantastic newsletter. It would be a fantastic point to make as a shorts, as a reels, as a post on X with a picture maybe of me 3 years ago at the office. And here's the most important part about this system, because if you just let Claude take the wheel when it comes to producing content for a channel, it again is going to revert to baseline. And every single channel operates differently. There are different best practices for every single channel. How you script a video for long form is very different than how you script a video for short form. Best practices for short form are very different than written content. So the reason why this system works is every single one of these channels is trained on its own skill. So every single one here has its own skills and its best practices that we compiled from experts in every single industry and every single niche. We literally compiled these skills and trained the AI on those specifically. I can show you. So you can see how the newsletter SOP that we have right here, it's a full prompt injection of the best things on the internet, all now powered by one engine. And this is how you have the ability to take 10 sales calls, 10 calls that you're having with customers, and then repurpose them into content. And this has been the strategy that I've been using for my content, because generally, the biggest bottleneck when it comes to content is oftentimes not the production, it is the ideation. A lot of people overthink content. They spend too much time spending hours thinking about what type of content should I make. Okay, this content, let me try to think a bit deeper. And then it's like, no, I don't like it anymore. Let me go to the next thing. And then you end up creating slop that was recommended to you by an AI that does not convert. Why? Because it's not built for your customer avatar. That's the idea. We want to make content for our customer avatar that is based on material that cannot be taken away from us. That is the real life stories, real life lessons, and real life conversations that we are having. And this is how the system works. I just built it out. So you remember the prompt that we sent right here with this and the 3 calls? It just built it out for us. Just like that, very simply. If I go right here and I look at the asset directory, so what to post when nothing shipped this week. This was for an AI founder that we spoke with. They were like, bro, we haven't shipped any new features recently. I don't know what to talk about. So this video was all about it. Why I turned down a 100,000 podcast run. You cannot argue with the haters. You can bury them. This was literally from the call today. So 12 followers are deciding what people think of you. How to survive a community that turns on you. That is a good video idea right here. And what I have the ability to do is to just go edit and actually start implementing this. So ladies and gentlemen, this is how the system works. My recommendation for you is, if you're a busy founder and you don't have time to sit down and actually plan content, it is not that you do not have time. It is that you're not making time for it. Because with the right systems, you have the ability to turn a complete content engine around you in literally 30 minutes a day. In only 5 minutes, we created an entire content funnel and an entire content strategy. So first of all, if you believe that you don't have time to make content, forever forget this. A personal brand is an asset that will forever serve you. It is becoming more and more important as the internet is becoming more and more crowded. The second thing is, stop using slop as your inspiration for content. Your inspiration is already happening in conversations you are having. And thirdly, stop making generic content for everyone and instead start speaking to a specific type of avatar, because this is how your content starts making money for you instead of it becoming an expensive hobby. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this and many other content systems are the exact same things that we build and we execute on for the founders that we work with. If you're a founder and are looking to supercharge your brand growth, to grow your business, acquire more customers, have a higher conversion rate on your offer, but also become a recognized leader in your space, make sure you click the link below to book a call with my team. And if you are already publishing content and want to learn how to make the content you're already publishing generate more money for you, I made an entire video just about this right here, where some of our clients instantly started to generate more money from the content they're already publishing by simply tweaking how they were making their content. So all you got to do is watch it here. My name is Leon Aboud, and I will see you in the next video. Ciao, ciao.